Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today, natapos na natin itong project na to, ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 30 Blue Steel. Yan, ginawa natin battle damage custom repaint ito mga ma'am, sir, with heated blades. Tapos painted din yung kanyang eyes and arc reactor para mukha siyang umiilaw. Yan, tapos ito yung box niya. Shoutout to Laro Anan for sending this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Tapos i-display din natin to sa laruanan cabinet sa Green Hills. Yan. Originally, yung mga battle damage custom repaint ko cost around $180. Pero ito, for now, yan, i-promo natin to $50 only. $2,900 only. Yan. I-upload ko yung tutorial nito and some photos sa aking YouTube channel, Ralph Cifra, and Facebook, Rain Cifra. Thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye-bye.